What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Connecteam team management platform or website and its different features and benefits. So let's get right to it. First of all, if you go to their website, that's connecteam.com, you'll land on their homepage right here. And they do promise you that you can manage your entire team in one app, that's their app here. And you can start a 14 days free trial, which we will do so in a minute. I'll show you the steps to creating the free trial, or you can book a demo with them. And here you can see that they are trusted, highly rated. And if you scroll down here, you can see some screenshots and also a video that explains some of the features of the platform and why you should use them. And scrolling down even more, you can see that they are trusted by many popular and big companies right here. You have full control over your team, from scheduling to payroll, all the way to payroll, so the entire process. You can see the job get done in real time by your team here. You have one channel to work better together, as well as following your team's performance to make sure they stay on top. So here some testimonials, some reviews from clients, as well as some numbers, statistics, and that's it. Now let's take a look at the pricing pretty quickly before we start creating an account. For the operations, you have 4 plans. You have the free plan, which is obviously free for small businesses up to 10 users. You have the basic plan, which is for $29 per month, and the advanced plan for $49, and all the way to the expert plan for $99 per month. Of course, if you plan to pay monthly, the prices will vary a bit. Now you can scroll down to compare all of the plans here, all of the features of the plan, to know which one is better for you. You also have communications and HR and skills. Basically, you have the same plan, but you can see here the features of each plan for each category of your business. Now let's start creating our account here. Here you need to enter some basic details, your first, last name, your business email, and create a password, and then continue. So I'm going to fill in all those details pretty quickly. Okay, now that I entered all my details, and here you need to specify where did you hear about them. Here I chose podcast. You can choose basically anything. And now let's go. Or you can already log in if you do have an account. Okay. Now here I need to answer some questions. What's my company name? How to simple? What's my role? Let's say I'm the manager. How many employees? Let's say 1 to 10. What's my business industry? Let's say here I'm in the healthcare, or let's say I own a restaurant, so food and beverage. Or you can choose other industries if your industry category isn't shown here. Okay, next step. Now let's add the right features. So here I need to specify the features that I need. Of course, once I sign up, I can use all the features. However, they do need to know which ones I'm interested in the most. So let's say scheduling, task management, and training and onboarding. Okay, next step. They ask me to insert my logo here, so I'll skip it. And here they ask me to add my mobile number, so I'm going to add it here. Okay, now access the dashboard. And now I'm into my main dashboard. So here I have an overview. I have some quick actions. I can add a user or add admin, add a task, and send an update really quickly. So if I click on add user, here I can add users manually. So adding their first and last name, their mobile number, and their email here. And I can add more if I want to. So let's cancel it for now. And here I can add a task. And they gave me a quick tutorial if I want to. And here I can add the task title. So let's say clean my desk, for example. Assign it to myself. I can add more details if I want to. And here I can add a description. I can add other person, assign it to other person other than myself. Add a location, frequency if it's a one-time task or recurring task, let's say every month or week or day. And I can even specify the ending after the this number of tasks, or repeated this number, the time of the task, and also labels. And here I can add subtasks as well, so I can add any number of subtasks that I want to my main task. And here publish it. And here my task is created successfully. I can see that I already have one task waiting for me in the quick tasks. If I click on it, I can go here to quick tasks, and as you can see here, clean my desk, the task that I created is there. And these are some general tasks, some like example tasks that are generated for me once I created my account, just to show me how to deal with them. I can click on any of the tasks to edit the details, or just add subtasks or add a comment if I want to. Now, let's go back to the overview. As you can see, these are the steps that I need to continue or to finish creating my account. Now, here I can view all the users. Of course, I don't have any users but myself right now. I can add users here manually or import from a CSV file or from a file if I have my like users exported from another like platform. And here I can view the admins and the archived users. And I can also export the users from here as a CSV or an Excel sheet. Now here I have the chats. Okay, go to chat, and in each category they'll give me like a quick tutorial just to let me know how to use the platform. So I'll skip it for now. Here I have all the users team chat. I can add a new chat here. I can view the chat settings. Okay, let's close it. And I can start a new team chat here by writing something. So let's say hi. Okay, and here I can start the chat. I have the updates here. And again, let's get started. I can start from scratch, or I can start from a new template. So I can create a new update from here from a template. Okay, if I click on template, I can view all the categories. And I can view here the mobile preview of what the update will look like. So I can select this template and continue creating it. However, let's close it for now. Here I have directory. And again, I can click here to go to the directory. And I can view here the users and the work contact. I can add a contact here, or I can add a user right here. Here is the mobile preview. Here I have the knowledge base. Let's get started again. Okay, I can add a new knowledge base by adding the name and confirming it or creating it. And here in the operations, I have job scheduling. Okay, I can go to the job schedule. And I can view the schedule here in a calendar view. I can add a new shift or a new job right here. I have here assigned to myself. I can add more users to this schedule. I can view it in a daily view, in hourly, to better view like the job itself expanded over like the time from 2 p.m. to like 4 p.m. or to 5 p.m. Sorry. I can add a month view or view a month view to see all my schedule or all my jobs for this month. And I can click anywhere to add a new shift here. Shift detailed this date, the 7th of August, and starts from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, the shift title, let's say test, for example. I can select a job as a project A. Users, I can assign it to myself as well. And add a location and so on. I can add the shift tasks here, add a new task to the shift, and add a new template. Okay, publish. And as you can see, the shift is added. Now here I have the quick tasks. I did show you the quick tasks before, where I have all my tasks here. Okay, and here I have the courses under HR and skills. I have the courses, documents, and celebrations. So that's pretty much it. A quick overview of the Connecteam platform and its different tools and features.